Welcome to today's Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Let's talk about meetings, how to run a productive meeting. All right. Number one, don't just have meetings to have meetings. That sucks. Nobody likes to have meetings just to have meetings. I hate meetings. I will have as least amount of them every single week as I possibly can, because most of the time they're not productive anyway. All right. So a productive meeting should revolve around, actions that are going on in the company or with clients or something like that, right? Something that's meaningful. And then you as the leader, let your people, run and facilitate the meeting. They're the ones that are on the ground doing the do anyway, right? So let them feel like they're a part of it and let them run that meeting. And then you're just there as, to ask questions, so on and so forth. But, I hate having meetings just to have meetings. And then people have these long 2-hour meetings. Here's the fact. It's fact. It's been proven. And that is after about 45 minutes, people check out. So you should always try to keep your meetings between 45 minutes and 1 hour. And your last 10 to 15 minutes should be summary, Q&A, stuff like that. Decisions, so on and so forth. Okay. Keep them productive. Keep them focused. Create a very specific PowerPoint slide that is specific and focused to what you're talking about to keep the meeting on track. And so you're not letting it go run left and right. And then at the end of a meeting, there should be decisions that come out of that meeting, right? I see so often meetings just happen and they're just meetings. I don't need to do meetings. Invite me to a meeting where there needs to be a decision made. Otherwise, don't call me. I don't need to be there. So your meeting should close with 2 to 3 major decision points that need to happen out of that meeting that move the needle somewhere in the company. That's the whole point. All right. So I hope that was helpful on today's dose. Remember, you can always reach out to me anytime at www.strategicadvisorboard.com. Go ahead and smash the like button if this was helpful. And remember, you can always go dream it, believe it. You'll achieve it. Don't have meetings just to have meetings. Make them have some meaningful purpose. All right. We'll see you on tomorrow's dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God. It's beautiful.